Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details of space and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Shein. Shout out to you, Shein, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. This is my first time working with Shein as far as wigs and anything goes, although you guys know I am somebody that shops at Shein. Okay, girl, my nails are from Shein. My shirt that I have on is from Shein, and now my hair is from Shein. Okay, so obviously I'm a Shein girl. Okay, so the unit that I am rocking is their Body Wave Bangs wig, Pixie wig, 1B red color, 6-inch human hair wig, ombre color. And y'all, this wig retails for $21. Okay, and it is human hair, so you can curl old girl if you want to. You can do what you want to old girl, okay, because it's a human hair wig. The density of this wig is 150% density. It is 6 inches long. Is that long, girl? Is that long? Literally on this wig it says Body Wave Bangs wig, Pixie, 1B red color, 6-inch human hair wig, ombre color. So literally, y'all can go on this site and get this wig and you're gonna get what you see. Okay, like I'm a little skeptical. I was a little worried, like, am I gonna get what I see? And I don't know why I was worried, because when it comes to Shein, everything that I have ordered from them, what I've seen has been what I've gotten. But you know, with hair you can be a little shook. Okay, you be a little scared with hair. So as far as this wig, there are no combs whatsoever. I did have to adjust the straps. To me, it is big head friendly, but I think you can make it work even if you have a smaller head. Just put you on a wig grip, girl, and call it a day. There are no combs whatsoever. So make sure you got it tight. But to me, it is big head friendly. But like I said, I think you can make it work across the board. As far as shedding and tangling, girl, it's not a whole lot. It's not a whole lot of hair, okay? So I didn't expect it to shed or tangle, and it did none of the things, okay? And it's not a whole lot that I even have to say. Like, it's just one of those wigs you can throw on and go on and like scrunch it up a little bit, like I did. Like, it didn't take a whole lot of styling with this unit. So literally, it's like a throw on and go human hair wig. So yeah, so as far as applying heat to this wig, like I stated, it's a human hair wig, and I'll just let you guys see a short clip of me just like applying heat to the unit. I really didn't need to, but I want you guys to see that you can curl it if you want to. It's not needed straight out the packaging, but I'm pretty sure at some point if you want to curl it, you can, you know, whatever. Because, you know, when you wear a unit, at a certain point, this little fluffiness goes away. If you wash it, it's straight. You can apply heat and you can curl this wig. So I just wanted to insert that clip so you guys could see that you could apply heat if you wanted to. That's basically it as far as the details and specs go. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. So we're gonna start with the cons, because you guys know I like to end on a high note. The only con I could think of, and it's not a big con for me, but it may be a con for some people, is that this is a full cap wig. Okay, like there's no parting space here. with this wig. This is also the type of units that I say is a good cap wig, but it doesn't, this wig doesn't have to be a cap wig, okay? You can make it a cap wig if you want to, but it doesn't have to be a cap wig. Some wigs have to be a cap wig. This particular unit, in my opinion, it does not have to be a cap wig. So if you want it to be, you can, but if not, whatever. So my only con is going to be there's no parting space. It's a full cap wig. Now my pros are, I love the color. I love a good red wig. I really love the color of this unit. I like that the 1B is kind of mixed in with it. I like how they did it. I also love the layers and the fluffiness of this unit and the style in general. So those are my pros. Yes, I would recommend it. It's from Shein. It's super cheap. It's $21 for a human hair wig. And although you guys are probably looking at it like, look girl, is this long? Of course it's $21, but y'all know how much these wigs are running these days. Like from other companies, you get a Pixie wig that is freaking $100 and some dollars. This is a $21 human hair wig from Shein, and it's a look, it's a bop girl, it's a vibe. So yes, I would recommend this unit. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. If it seems kind of bunched up, that's me having it crisscross applesauce. And if you see my edges, you guys know it's always a mess. And this is it on the right side. Because you guys know I always tell you guys, don't worry about my kitchen, worry about your kitchen. Okay? Worry about your kitchen. So, yeah. But the unit in itself, it's a look, it's a vibe. Shout out to you, Shein, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly, truly do appreciate it. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Y'all let me know what you think about this unit. Let me know if you've ever purchased a human hair or a wig in general from Shein. I'm interested in your thoughts and opinions. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want any questions, feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's time to cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Helping Miss C on Snapchat and on Disastrous Beat on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Looks your love completely. Got every style.